All right, East Texas duct tape here. Got that fire barrel going, burning up trash. Got a rainstorm coming in, so trying to get this all done beforehand. But anyway, picked up all the branches that we trimmed up last weekend, and now we're just letting them burn. Because I mean, what else do you do? I mean, you can't just stare at them. They're not gonna pick themselves up. So anyway, y'all hear that? Some neighbor kids over yonder. They're playing outside. They're not inside watching this video on YouTube. They're outside. You hear them? Out there having a good old time like it's 1955. Anyway, just wanted to show you the progress. Been working on the yard. Like I said, picked up all these sticks. And now I'm just burning them. Get that pile down a little bit. Next weekend, I'm not sure. It'll probably be time to do the yard again. It's like never ending out here at the homestead. East Texas Duct Tape, signing out.